Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you will be doing when you have reached your goal. Don't let the fear of time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Everything begins with an idea.